If you love the mix of sleek lines and cozy touches in modern contemporary homes, this video is for you. We'll show you 10 design hacks that make your bedroom look clean, stylish, and functional. Number 1. Choose a platform bed with upholstered headboard. Select a low platform bed frame, about 25 to 30 centimeters high, with a padded headboard in soft gray or taupe fabric. The upholstery adds warmth and comfort, while the low profile helps maintain the clean, horizontal lines of a modern minimalist bedroom. Stick to smooth fabric textures and avoid tufting buttons or ornate stitching. This keeps the entire bed looking sleek, calming, and easy on the eyes. Number 2. Mount floating nightstands with push latches. Install wall-mounted nightstands at about 45 to 50 centimeters high to align perfectly with your mattress height. Floating designs keep the floor area open and maintain a built-in, streamlined look. Push latch drawers eliminate the need for handles, creating a completely flat front surface. One shallow drawer and a small top surface just enough for a book, a phone, or a glass of water are all you need for everyday convenience. Number 3. Switch table lamps to slim wall sconces. Replace bulky bedside table lamps with slim, adjustable wall sconces in finishes like matte black or brushed brass. Mount them about 90 to 100 centimeters above the floor, centered over each nightstand. Wall-mounted lighting frees up space and keeps the nightstand clutter-free. Hardwiring the sconces allows you to hide cords entirely, contributing to a smooth and uninterrupted visual flow. Number 4. Dress bed in one neutral color, layered. Stick to one calming tone, like warm white, beige, or stone gray, for all your bed layers. Use percale or cotton sheets, a waffle-textured throw blanket, and a plain duvet cover in the same shade to create subtle depth. Mixing textures in a single color keeps the bed visually interesting without introducing visual noise. This technique also makes the bed look professionally styled, but remains easy to maintain daily. Number 5. Place a narrow metal bench at the foot of the bed. Position a slim bench about 110 to 120 centimeters wide at the foot of the bed to serve as a landing spot for blankets or bags. Choose a bench with open metal legs, preferably in matte black or brushed nickel, to maintain clear views of the flooring and preserve openness. Matching the bench's finish with other metals in the room, like sconces or cabinet handles, helps tie the design together seamlessly. Number 6. Accent wall with vertical wood batten panels. Create a soft focal point by installing vertical wood batten panels behind the headboard, spaced evenly at about 5 centimeters apart. Use soft walnut or ash wood in a matte finish to introduce subtle texture and warmth without overpowering the room. Vertical lines draw the eyes upward and make the room feel taller, especially helpful in spaces with ceilings under 2.5 meters. Keep everything symmetrical and aligned for that modern, intentional feel. Number 7. Use sliding closet doors with hidden tracks. Opt for flush sliding closet doors with concealed ceiling tracks to remove bulky door swings. This feature is ideal for small bedrooms around 8 to 12 square meters where every inch counts. Go for matte white or a light wood finish to blend the doors into the wall, creating a seamless visual plane. The lack of visible hardware enhances the minimalist aesthetic and reduces visual clutter. Number 8. Add LED strip lighting inside closet shelves. Install low-profile LED strip lighting under each shelf to gently illuminate folded clothes and stored items. Use motion sensor or door-activated strips to light up only when the closet is in use, which saves energy and preserves darkness at night. This small upgrade makes storage feel high-end while also making it easier to find items without rummaging. It's a detail that adds both style and function. Number 9. Limit decorative pillows to 2 only. Keep it simple by styling your bed with just 2 accent pillows, either 2 50 by 50 centimeter squares or 1 long lumbar pillow. Overloading the bed with cushions makes it look busy and creates extra clutter when it's time to sleep. By limiting your accents, you also streamline your daily routine, making the bed faster to make and more relaxing to use. Fewer pillows actually help the room feel more designed, not less. Number 10. Use one bold color in small dose. Introduce one bold color, like terracotta, navy blue, or forest green, only in 2 small places. This could be a solid throw at the end of the bed and a framed art piece on the wall. Keeping the pop of color contained prevents visual chaos while still injecting personality. When surrounded by neutral tones, that single color stands out and elevates the room without overwhelming it. Now that you've seen the hacks, let's walk you through the full modern contemporary bedroom. Take a closer look at how each element comes together to create a calm and beautiful space. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. If you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.